Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Boulder Ridge Villas to do a full room tour of a deluxe studio. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has an okay amount of space for everyone.
Now these rooms, along with all the other rooms here at Boulder Ridge, have recently been refurbished top to bottom, all new furniture, new floors, paint on the walls, lots of upgrades here in the rooms like changing the sofa bed over to a Murphy bed, and we can't wait to show it to you.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come into the room here, over on the right hand side, you'll see we've got a painting of a deer. I thought for a second maybe Bambi, but I don't think so. But we do have Mickey and Minnie over there checking out the wildlife. We've got a full-length mirror here behind the door as well. And then over across from this is the bathroom area. You can see we've got a single vanity in here, a ton of counter space there. We've got a couple drawers down below and lots of little storage space. You'll find the hair dryer in this drawer over here. Good sized drawers there for storage. Our closet is right next to that vanity, and we have a good amount of closet space in here as well. We've got an iron and an ironing board. We have our extra blankets and pillow. We have some hanging space, and then around the corner over on the right there is the in-room safe. Up above that vanity, we do have a mirror with a couple lights on each side and a makeup mirror there as well. And there's also a wall outlet on each wall. This door here leads to the other half of the bathroom where you're going to find your toilet and tub. This is a tub shower combo in here. We've got those glass sliding shower doors now and the tile work there on the wall. And we also have two shower heads. We have the large rainfall style shower head and the detachable head. And then we have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, the larger refillable bottles in here. And we have another piece of artwork in here that's exactly the same as the one when we first came into the room. Over across from the bathroom, we have our little kitchenette area. We've got a mini fridge down here that's a really, really good size. And you can see lots of space inside there. No freezer compartment, but lots of room in the mini fridge there. We've got some drawers where you'll find things like your plasticware and a can opener, bottle opener. We have cups and plates up in the cabinets up above. We have a Keurig in here now, and the Keurig has a single serve option as well as the pot. So they do have both types of coffee here. Really nice upgrade on the coffee maker here in these rooms. We've got a small sink over here. We have a microwave up here on the shelf by our ice bucket. We also have a toaster, and as I mentioned, we have those paper plates, cups, and things like that up there. Heading into the rest of the room here, we've got some storage over on the left-hand side. We've got 3 drawers. The one on the bottom is very large, lots of space in there, and the 2 up top are the same size, just half of the one down below it. And then we also have some seating. We have little stools down here. They're both the same size, small little padded stools. They have gotten rid of the table and chairs in this room, so they've replaced it with those stools. And then next to that, you'll see we have this print here of the woods. This is going to be our pull-down 5th sleeper bed. You just grab right here and pull that down. It is a twin-size bed here. You can see lots of space in the room, even with that pulled down. And we have a really cute picture on the back of Chip and Dale lounging and sleeping with all of their acorns that they've stored up. Up above that bed, we also have our TV, really good size flat screen TV they've added in here. And they've also added additional lighting. You can see right above the TV, there's a light. There's also another light here in the center of the room. Much improved lighting here in Boulder Ridge in all of the rooms. Over here to the right, we have our main bed. This is a queen size bed. They have raised this up off the ground, so you've got lots of space underneath for storage. And then over on the wall to the right of the bed, we have a few pieces of artwork advertising Geyser Point and also Feline Falls. You see Mickey and Pluto over there. There's lots of artwork throughout the villas here, tying everything into the lore of Boulder Ridge, Copper Creek, and Wilderness Lodge. It's really fun to see them leaning into that here. On each side of the bed, we also have a single lamp and one of the small pull-out reading lights they've been adding to most of the resorts now. Those are really handy to have. We have a little nightstand here next to the bed. There's a small drawer down there for storage. You have a couple outlets and also some USB outlets on there. Notably, these are the only USBs here in the studio. Now, next to our nightstand, we have our Murphy bed. You can see there's the couch there with the artwork up above it. We've got Donald, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and then Chip and Dale all in that really fun piece of artwork. I think that's my favorite one here in this room. And as with all the Murphy beds in the resorts they've been remodeling, you just pull these handles and the bed will come down. But Alyssa will finish pulling that down and show you what that looks like here in the room in just a few moments. The reason I can't pull it down right now is we actually have a piece of furniture we have to move here. It is on wheels, which is really nice, but this is a big storage trunk that doubles as a coffee table. You can actually come over and lift the lid on this, and it lifts up to make a table for you right there sitting on the couch. And again, storage down inside. You'll find some additional pillows and blankets in there. And then down below that, we have a really nice rug. I'm loving the rug here in the room and the carpet in the hallway outside. They've really done a nice job upgrading the theming here in Boulder Ridge. Now we're gonna head out and check out the patio. Before we do, the curtains here in the room, I really wanna point those out. We're not gonna take time to look at all of them now, but if you do stay in this room, I recommend that you spread it out and take a look because there are lots of fun references on here. We have Copper Creek and Lake Elias and the Ranger Station, Grizzly Peak, of course from California Adventure. Lots of little references to other things on here, and it's a lot of fun to take a look at the map. I love, again, how they've been kind of adding to the lore of Wilderness Lodge. Now this room is on the first floor, so we don't have a balcony. We have a patio, and we're gonna head out there and show you. We've got a couple chairs out here and a small little table, and then we have just this little concrete pad. If you were on one of the higher floors, you can see up there, there's lots of balconies with chairs and things, about the same size as the patio down here, but a really nice view. Personally, I like a higher floor here at Boulder Ridge because you get a nice view looking out over Bay Lake. But if you're on that top floor, you don't have the Murphy beds, you do just have a pull-out couch. So if you're gonna have someone sleeping on it, the Murphy bed's a lot more comfortable. Kind of one of those things you have to give and take depending on what you're looking for in the room. We personally prefer the higher floors because we don't usually use the Murphy beds. And now Alyssa has pulled down that Murphy bed in the room for us, so you can see, even with both the beds down, still a lot of space to walk around here in the room. It doesn't get too crowded, and you can see the queen size bed here, a little bit lower than the other bed, but the mattress looks to be about the same thickness, so we've got a really nice mattress on there. There is a small light inside of the bed there. There's a switch over on the right you can turn on. You can see Geyser Point has caught Donald with its eruption, and the boys are sleeping soundly in the tent over there. Fun piece of artwork back behind the bed there. And that's going to conclude our tour of this remodeled deluxe studio here at Boulder Ridge Villas.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for tons of other room tours around Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.